What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank y'all so much for the support. We reached 40 subscribers. Today we got a little special guest, Walker Silky Johnson. Honestly, probably the best golfer in our friend group.
Hi, how are you?
He
No,
can,
not one of the best. He is the best. And in my eyes, the dude can hit it a mile. He's good at short game. Putting is unreal. So we're going to try to break par here at Goshen on the front nine. And we had to call in a little help from this guy here. So.
All right, so you know me, try to be fairway finder today. Just put something in the fairway so the boys can open up.
Oh, it's sitting out right there. Oh my God, be good. Oh. Yeah,
Over the hill. Yeah.
I'll take that.
Thank you.
All right, big stick. Trying to hug that tree line.
Right and safe. I can swing at it. I've got a little target practice. Oh my God, Walker.
There it is.
Jesus Christ.
Shot, sir.
Thank you.
Great start, sir.
Yeah, sometimes you gotta call in the big guns to try to break par. Big guns have been called in today.
Well, Walker is definitely a big gun. Dude is absolutely dirty. Every club in his bag. So. To the right up here. Bam! Just hit it. Just hit this monster. 315 opener. That's big. That's huge for the boys. All right, we're about 204. I'm honestly just gonna lay up to kind of give these two guys confidence. At least I'm gonna try. That's the plan. Well, felt good.
Got a 4-iron in hand. Try to get something up there. Where'd it go? Chunk.
I have a 6-iron. Hope I get it there. It's cold.
Oh, I pulled it.
Sit down, Wolf. Not bad. Good shot, sir.
Thank you.
All right, we're taking a walk shot. Not sure how far, but I'm playing a pitch and wedge, old bump and run. Just hope I can get it there. He's holding the camera right there, so I'm hoping it's sitting pretty.
On 60-degree here. Shout to Billy Johnson for the great tips. Yeah, stick close. Oh, I killed it.
He's spin.
She's spinny though.
Chunk that?
Yeah.
Chunk that 60?
Yeah, chunk that 60.
He didn't mean.
Yeah, Billy.
He didn't mean chunk the ball. Let me get this one close. Oh shit.
Bye. Let's see how we look, boys.
See that last little green weed right there before the cup?
Yeah.
That's mine.
Let him in. Let him in.
Oh!
Good roll.
Hit it through the break. Hear me?
What?
Hit it through the break.
Oh, bad. All right, well. We're looking good there for a second, but a little tap in par there. And it's better than last start, all right?
All right, hole number 2 here at Goshen, par 4, dogwood to the right a little bit. Playing what, 325. Like I said, I got one job only: eat food and fucking find a fairway. So.
Sit, ball. Good. Shot.
Corner fairway.
All right, driver in hand. Bryson put his one out there, and I'm just going to swing.
Alright, on to the next hole, fellas. Let's Shit!
Yeah, so
What the fuck was that?
Holy cow.
That was somebody's shop.
It's
So if somebody's working in there early on Sunday morning, you just scared the shit out of them.
Richard County Sheriff's Department out there help you. I got multiple gunshots.
I got a 4-iron. I'm just trying to get one past Bryson.
Kick right, get a good kick. Okay. Oh, what a
Oh,
kick!
whoa,
Yeah.
whoa.
Oh, it's coming. All right, I see it.
All right. Good shot, sir.
Thank
you. Well,
That just absolutely murdered.
Definitely just slice the absolute.
All right,
Sure.
sure.
Why don't you go in the fairway? How about that? All right, just take it slow. Definitely just destroyed someone's house with that slice.
Yeah, shout out to the homeowner association because someone's gonna be getting a new roof, new windshield, or something. Jesus.
It wasn't intentional. If you're seeing this video, I apologize. But if it's you found a vice ball, I want it back. All right, taking walks drive. About 120 out, playing a little uphill. So I got a P wedge in hand. Just hopefully I can make contact. Dang.
All right, 120 out. I got the pitch wedge. Try to get something close. Golly.
All right, it said 120 out, uphill a little. Have a 48 degree. Get one close for us.
Oh, go.
Either one.
Go.
Spin, man.
My bad. Way to save us. Just can't give it too much. I kind of want to putt it.
Damn it.
I'll bump and run it. Gotta go.
Going 60 here.
Well, you see the leaf that
Try
that's
to let
left
it
behind?
soft.
That's what I was trying to.
Too much spin. Damn.
Oh, push.
Oh. Getting there. Good shot, sir. Drop it in there, Bryce. Let him in! What a guy!
But
Yes, sir.
thank you. He's back.
All right, Bryson just made a pretty decent putt for per par. So we're still even through 2, and we're on to 3.
Yeah, check out new bag. Shout out to the Braves. You know, what we're gonna do this year, I don't know. I couldn't tell you, but hey, CMV Sports, check us out.
Hole 3 here. Little to the left. I think it's 334. Bryson's up first. He's gonna find a fairway and then let me in a old slick. Swing hard.
Fairway Finder Town. Go ball. Well, Walker, you say you want a fairway. There's your call.
I'm still in a birdie.
All right, driver here.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
fucking open one up, dude.
See, folks, I'll tell you. Top of ball, confidence goes high because we need one in the fairway. If it wasn't up for me, these boys would be doing that right now.
Runner. All right, we're taking my drive. Probably the first and only time today, but we're about 113 out. Looks like the pin's front right. What you think?
Yeah, this green's always weird.
I got a gap wedge, feed the two, and just hopefully. No, just no.
All right, I got my 60 degree now, 62. Thanks for Walker stepping on it. Probably go a whole lot higher now.
Sorry, could you say that again?
So I had a 60 degree now at 62 degree because Walker stepped on it. What the fuck is that?
It's 62 degrees.
I know. Motherfucker. I'm laying that on one.
I have a 52 degree. And this green is funky, so it's a hard pin. I think it's on the high side though, right?
Yeah, I don't think it's down. It definitely looks front.
I'm gonna aim it at Chris and just kind of, hopefully
You got a lot of slope there.
it'll spin. Look out, Pops. That's it.
Oh, 4.
God.
You back.
Damn, man. That was a bad shot.
Looks like we got to put at it.
See where that dry patch is? That burnt spot?
Yeah, to the left.
Yeah. I'm thinking like left or right edge of it.
It's almost like get it to stop right there.
Right there and let it
Yeah.
run. See that, Bryce?
That
See the-
burnt pile?
Just see
Yeah.
the burnt spot
Like try to get it to stop right there and hopefully
on the
show
right
it.
edge of it.
I went right at it.
Sit. Not that patch, the other patch.
Yeah. So outside. I think that's gonna be the line.
Sit.
Come on.
Turn. How's it not turn? How's it not turning?
Got enough speed to
Go, 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 go. Got scared. Pushed it. Fall in. Well, we got some room to make up now. Bogeyed that one. Sorry, we still got a lot though, so. Bryson makes this is Mulligans.
Could do that the first time.
Still a bogey, but we'll get it. We'll get it back.
Hey, welcome to Mulligans over there.
Hey, we got a slick on our team. Don't forget about that. That bogey just felt like a triple bogey.
Yeah. I didn't know it at all. That's fucking green too.
Yeah.
None of us really hit it good. Second shot.
No, he didn't know. All right, though. It's only a third hole. All we gotta do is break it. Birdie the next 5.
Yeah, once the floodgates open, I mean, it's gonna be open.
Yeah, just gotta get loose. It's cold. It's probably like, what, 40 degrees out here?
A little chilly.
Yeah, not used to that here. It's alright though, we're buzzing. Hole 4. 180 to the flag. I got a 7. I just want to just hit the ball. Mulligan.
I got 4 iron here. Try to get pop in the face.
off.
Wow. Dang.
I like it. I like it. I like it. Stay up. Stay up. Stay up. Jesus Christ. The roll pack. There we go.
Saw it.
Huh?
Y'all see it?
You see that?
Yeah.
Turn. You gotta be kidding me.
Good roll. And all in one.
Damn.
Good roll, sir.
Par there. I mean, 3 great putts by the boys. Sucks. I had a little bit more pace. Might want to win. What's up?
Hey, shout out to Walker for being the only one that hit the green on this hole. Love him.
Sorry, I leave us with 30 footers.
Hey, I'm cool with that.
I got par 4 here, about 430 yards. Pretty much straight, all uphill. Try to get one in the fairway. Hey, mate.
Sit. That is Bryce's favorite spot on this hole.
Hey, mate.
Did it carry, you think?
Oh, turn. Be alright.
Shot.
Thank you.
I suck at golf.
Nah, we're not doing terrible. A lot of help from Mr. Slick himself.
Alright, here you go, favorite spot in this whole course. Probably even want to find it.
Taking Walker's drive, 96 yards to the pin. Looks like it's almost middle of the green. Yeah, a little left. Shh. I can't tell if we're short side or not. But.
Gap wedge. Want to square it, really. I got 60 degree here. Try to get up down.
The ball. Go. Go. Sit.
It's gonna be right back under our feet. Look at this.
You gotta put it almost to Chris.
Throw it long a little bit.
Yeah, I mean, when you got too much backspin, I don't know what to tell you, boys.
Just aiming at Chris like we talked about, a little deep below the ball, just a little bit.
It's at it.
Be good.
All right, Silky, here we go now. Here we go. The saving grace, Mr. Slick. What a shot, Jay. Ah, that's the relief we need. What a guy. Look at this shot. Look at this. It's the best golf shot I've ever seen. Natural birdie.
Natural
here.
birdie, come on, Silk.
Natural birdie.
I don't want to. I don't want to putt.
Yeah, well, this is a non-putting MFer right here. So.
Silky Johnson! That'd be a natural
That's a
birdie.
bird.
All right, we're back on
Yes,
track,
sir.
fellas. We're back to even. Watch out. Got a par 5 and then a par 3.
Woo! Hole 6, par 5. Coming off that birdie, so we're pretty hyped right now. Bryson's up first. I think he's going DOD. Let's see.
All right, shout out to Silky for that birdie. Now we're buzzing. I'm going DOD. Try something here.
I just broke that damn thing.
Oh, she's old, bub. That's like cut, dude. So let's take a dip with a driver. Yeah. Damn mud pie.
Up too far. Sorry, guys.
All right, I got driver. I'm just trying to poke one out there.
Yeah.
This guy is
Get a kick off the hill. Go.
He's gonna get a great kick.
Oh yeah, it's gonna run too.
Oh, there it goes. Come back in.
This guy
Yeah.
is unreal. God,
All right, got the twins here. What you thinking so far?
Somebody's carrying it on his back.
Yeah, I know his damn back's hurt. He gonna need back brace after today. So let me ask you a question. We're big food guys, right?
Yep, you should do that.
Give me your top 3 favorite sweet teas from fast food.
I'm trying to think. I hate Bojangles. Bojangles nasty as shit. Chick-fil-A. It's number 1 for me. Sorry about the bumps.
Yeah, you should just went straight. I don't know why. Oh, my ball's right there.
I don't know. Chick-fil-A. Wow, it's not fast food, is it? No. I don't really like Chick-fil-A, McDonald's. That's probably about it. I don't really order fast food, sweet tea from many places. Oh, Cookout. Chick-fil-A, Cookout, McDonald's.
you think mine was faster?
There you go.
There you go, folks.
Mr. Johnson with the piss rod of a drive. 320? What do we want?
Could you say that again?
320.
We'll be sponsored by Apple.
What are we, 190?
190.
190 to the flag. I'm going to try to just hit it straight and then let these guys try to get it up there.
What's this time right now?
I got a 6 hybrid. Damn.
Pat said we're driving a Walker. We got a 3 hybrid. I'll try to get a little aggressive here. Or do you want me to lay up? What you want me to do? Go for it. Captain said go for it. I like the scoop.
Funky there. Balls above feet a hair bit, so.
A little funky.
Yeah, like fuck. Alright, I got 5 iron. Try to go at it. Oh, come off the hill.
Get a good left.
Shit.
Yeah, I don't know what the fuck I just said right there. What the fuck?
Bryson doesn't have a 60? What?
I thought it was gonna roll down more for a minute. I got
Should have kicked it, bro.
kicking that shit. Just got a little better.
You see it? You gotta hit it.
Totally turning the opposite way of what I thought.
It's crazy. It even looks like it's going towards the water once you get
I
past it.
started it left of the hole though too, so start it right of the hole.
No curve. No curve at all.
Good putt.
Yes, sir.
Good birdie.
1 under. Through 7.
Birdie.
Par 3 coming up. Hope we get another one.
Par 3. I think he's playing 160. I got 8 iron. I'm gonna go first. Yeah. Oh, I got it in the air. It's a win.
190. 190. I got a 9 iron. I don't know what mine's going through. Man, I'm gonna try something.
Alright, let me help the boys out. Hopefully. I have a 9 iron as well. Downhill, so. Got a good swing on it.
spin. That's it. Nice.
Freaking fast.
That's wild, dude. Yes, sir.
This man
Good
here.
putt.
This man here.
That's why he's the GOAT.
That's what I'm talking about! That's why he's the MVP! That's why he's the GOAT! The GOAT!
Par, sir. Par pop.
Hole number 8. Skating with a par there. Still 1 under. Dogwood to the left. About about 320, maybe. I don't know. But I was trying to put one in the fairway again. Try to. I ain't even doing my job today. I don't know.
Alright, I got driver. Don't know how many yards the hole is, didn't pay attention. Try to put this one out here.
Come on, ball, draw.
Too much?
It's okay, it's no shot in on that second shot, I think.
They're in the trees. Alright, we're taking walks drive. Pretty good position. About 69 yards. I'm got a 56. Hopefully, do something for the team.
Yes. 60 in hand.
Kick right. Good shot.
Thank you.
Oh, that's a bad shot.
Watch it. Ooh. It's pretty straight. No? Yay?
Huh?
Like it moves like this.
Yeah, it definitely.
It didn't look like it moved too much, I don't know.
I just pushed the living shit out of it, dude. Trash. Trash. Trash.
Find it.
He's on fire!
This guy.
Soaking.
This guy is just spectacular. What a guy. I did.
One call, that's all.
Wow.
Shot. What a putt.
You get, like and subscribe for that putt right there, dude. That.
We hadn't seen many of those on this channel.
Wow. Woo, what a shot. Hole number 9 here, last hole of this video. Like and subscribe. We're 2 under right now. Bryson's up first. I think we're what, 370 ish. Hard right. So let's bend it like Beckham here.
Yeah, a little dogwood to the right. I about did it right there.
Boy, here's what I wanted to do. Just hit hard through the fuck.
Alright, we got driver, just try to
cut it around that corner, hopefully. Oh God, yes. Jesus. Loves you. Wow. Nice shot.
What I said. Woo! All right, boys and girls of the crowd, we took Walker's Drive once again. We're about 100 and, what'd you say, 119?
Yeah, it's like 119.
I got a P wedge. Well, we'll try and see.
I got 50 degree here.
What the fuck, dude?
Oh God. Got a 48. Landed a little long. Let it come back. Hopefully. Be good. Go. Sit. Oh, too long.
Fall down.
Pretty straight.
Yeah.
Kind of a push.
Yeah, I did push it. Push.
I almost want to.
Come on.
Oh my God.
Oh
ball.
gosh.
Putt, buddy.
Thanks. It doesn't move much.
Pleasure, sir.
Oh man, always.
Thank you. Huge shout out to this gentleman here. I don't think we could have done it without him. We ended the day two under, so we did beat par here at Goshen Plantation. No, thank you so much, sir.
Oh, no problem, man. I
Thank
enjoyed
you.
it. Thanks for having me. Nice meeting you, bud.
Yeah, nice meeting you too.
Appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Me and Bryson are gonna take on Mr. Johnson, so stay tuned.